Okay, today we're going to start with this template that I've made out of cardboard, and in case you want to make your own, let me show you the measurements really quick. It is 4.5 inches wide, and then it is 7.5 inches long. The centerpiece is 1 inch wide. So let's take our ribbon, and our ribbon is measuring 24 inches long by 1.5 inches in width. Alright, so first we're going to start with clipping this onto the edge of the piece of cardboard. You can use an alligator clip or whatever kind of clip you want to use. And then you're going to put it just a little bit at an angle, and then wrap it around the back and let the back be straight, and bring it up against the other piece, wrap that around, wrap it around again, and then one more time, and at the end of it just kind of fold it over and clip that in too, so it'll be held on your frame. The next step is to sew right up the center of this, and we're going to go all the way up through the center, and make sure that as you're going through the back that you are catching the ribbons that are behind it too. Make sure your pieces are close enough together so that they don't start separating. So if you have to move them a little bit, you can do that. So now that we've got the center sewn up, let's go ahead and take off our clips, and then we are going to just slide this right off of the template. And now we're going to cinch the center, so you can hold them so that they don't bunch up in a crazy way, but cinch them right in the center there, and then crunch it between your fingers and get a good hold on it so that you can just wrap that around, and just pull that tail a little bit so that you have something to tie it to. Wrap it around like 2 times, and then knot it together. And a square knot works best, but just give it a good couple of knots. And then we're just going to trim this off as soon as we're done tying it. Okay, let's put our needle aside, and we're going to just kind of move the pieces around a little bit, make sure everything's even, make sure everything's lying straight, and then we're going to go ahead and trim each of these tails. They'll be just a touch longer than the loops that are next to them, and then just make sure you seal the ends with your lighter. We're going to do the same on the other tail. Alright, now we're going to put our center piece in there. So let's get a piece of 5/8 inch ribbon of your choice, and we are going to measure it to about 5 inches. So just trim it right there, and then we're going to tie a knot right in the center. So just twist it and pull it through like you would a normal knot, but make sure the parts that cross over when you pull the sides through is on top, and twist the ends so that they are both showing the pattern on the top as well. And don't tie it too tight because you want a really cute kind of fluffy knot. So just put some glue right in the center of your bow, and then you're going to stick the knot part right into that glue. And we're going to wrap it around to the back of the bow so we can put our backing on with it. Get your backing and just put a drop of glue on the back and stick it to that, and let it set for just a second. And then we're going to pull this side over and trim it to size. And make sure that you seal the ends as well with your lighter so that the ends don't fray. Now just put some glue on the end of the ribbon, open up your clip, and just stick that right in the center there. Then we're going to do the same to the other side as well. Just make sure you seal your ends. So then just put some glue on the end, and then we're going to just tuck it right back under the clip on top of the other side. And that's all there is to it. This bow is done. Simple as that. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.